agents, team leaders, GMs, Isai. It was really a pleasure working with all of you. It's been 4 years. I would like to thank everybody for the
Jay Sean, 2-0, Nicki Minaj. Let's go.
It's alright. Oh, it's alright. You know what they say. Life ain't always easy. Every day we're survivors. So forget the day. It's all about tonight. Act a fool and start a riot. But riot, be a rebel. Bottles popping till we can't stand. We keep it rocking till 6 a.m. New York to London, over to Japan. Turn it up, mash it up. We're gonna party like 9.
Smooching Alergy. Let's move forward with the program.
We're gonna party like it's the end of the world. We're gonna party like it's 2012. You know that it doesn't matter as long as we got each other. Turn it up, mash it up. It ain't the end of the world. We're gonna live like it's the end of the world. Gonna party like. Turn it up, mash it up. It ain't the end of the world.
Similes, metaphors, and we pop pills. Sick flow, inundated with the dog pills. Work hard, now we know how to top bills. In the middle of the street doing cartwheels. A lot of them try to do it, but it's not real. Wasn't a rapper, then I could've got a pop tail. White curls and the hot pink Hot Wheels. Lot of bottles and a lot of fruity cocktails. Days of our lives. You wink, it goes by. So we'll just get it with no edits and anything goes. So no time for closed minds. And free my little Weezy. And let's just get right. Young money, cash money in the building. Let's go, the world ends tonight.
And let's make tonight go down in history. In history, bottles popping till we can't stand. We keep it rocking till 6 a.m. New York to London, over to Japan. Turn it up, mash it up. We gonna party like it's the end of the world. We're gonna party like it's 2012. You know that it doesn't matter as long as we got each other. Turn it up, mash it up. It ain't the end of the world. We He's waiting for the drink and a hand to turn into a kiss. She starts to wonder why her heart's beating like this. I cannot believe my eyes. Color ocean paradise, dancing until the sunrise under the neon lights. Under the neon.
Think about the people we have encountered, people we have worked with, people we have cried with, and people we have laughed with. Now is the perfect time to say goodbye, or should I say our sweetest thank you to everyone. Please the person next to you and say your heartfelt words of emotion. And say thank you.
Also shared your life with me, and I have also touched their lives in a way that I was able to do to all the
third speech, something all of you guys, and it was a good one. That's not matter. So, and I'm sure we've learned a lot.
The spirit and the memories will stay the same or stay. So thank you so much. Thank you.
And only one person. This person that you thank you so much. And thank you so much for Jan for being with me.
Thank you so much for trusting in my abilities. Thank you so much, boss. Hindi ko masabi sa lahat kung paano ako mag-thank you sa inyo. Basta, alam ni pa yun, sobrang very thankful ako sa lahat ng opportunities na binigay mo sa akin. And gaya nga nasabi nyo, this will not end here. Marami pa na sa labas, and magkikita at magkikita pa rin tayo, no matter what happens.
It's sad when we're separate ways, but I think yung pinaka-importante doon is we share a lot of stuff sa work, friendship, and things are gonna be different after this, so maiiwan yung the relationship. There are a lot of things that I cannot say, so thank you much.
I've been a big excited for them since I started the side. Jen Maya was my team. She left, she came back, and she gave me the opportunity to be more of their TV. And because of that, thank you very much. And I cannot say enough to let everyone know how much I've learned, not just with the people that I've worked with, but with the people also that I'm working for. It's always an experience, a learning experience for everyone. And for that, I also thank everyone that I've worked with.
Number one, for Austin Mary, who interviewed me as an agent 8 years ago. Thank you. Who put me to be a good manager. Thank you for every strategy that I had. It came all from her. I'm thankful of it. Hindi lang siya nagdadalpas to release the secretariat. He also stayed here. Merong Kim Rosa. Merong everything. I know you know that the government are relying a lot of people, especially those PLs that I had here. And all the agents that I had, because of you guys, you motivate me every day. And the reason why I stay with GXI, that is because you don't ask me to stay. And I'm not going to be able to. Thank you very much.
For integrity, collaboration, and teamwork. And then, it might end here, but we need to move on and face tomorrow. And I want to thank Jan
Jen, you're my best enemy and you're my best friend. You know that. And then I want to thank Isai for the little time that you spent with me, but I learned a lot. And with Kim, you're such a character. I will never forget you. And then,
my message is very short and sweet. Thank you to each and every agent that was part of Direct TV. Direct TV would not flourish and would not succeed at all with each and everyone's effort. Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. And then of course, January. Alam mo yan? Yung alam mo yung message ko sa'yo. And of course, Kim, Miss Isay, Chan, the SME team, thank you so much. Thank you. I love you. Tapos, of course, the GMs, my best buddies, each and every day. You never made my life terrible. So, thank you so much. Ian, Kiko, si Dentay, of course, Joy. Apple, na nawawala. Yung isang kaparty si Bakla. Chan, of course, my favorite. Minsan nagka-sama tayo, pero so, thank you.
Since we started, Jan or my Ate Joy has given me all the opportunities. She made me her SME, she made me her DL one time, she made me her GM. It was all like random selections. It was like, you don't have a GM. Makati, Quezon City, the best. Thank you for the wonderful 4 years.
thank you.
For all of the agents, despite all the BOS, despite all your auto-fails, despite all your absenteeism, the tardiness, the revenge of the bayan, I would want you to know we love you despite of all.